Okay, hey guys, this is Demetrius again with Akeelah Traders, and so today is December 19th, and I didn't get a chance to do a video a little bit earlier today, but I wanted to capture just one of our other strategies that we're running here. We're trading US30 right here. This is one of our very aggressive strategies in our Pro module. And I've been doing some tests on this, testing some of our prop firm account challenges. And so I set up a demo account to kind of run some different scenarios on this. And I just want to take a look at this today because this thing has just done amazing today. I had to be away for several hours today. And so we started this day with around, well, you can see right now the floating profit on this thing. This is a $200,000 account. Again, demo and all, clarity. This is a demo account where I'm just running the strategy here. But I wanted to set it up. We've been testing this strategy. I've tested it, back tested it numerous times on different kinds of things, mostly running it on US30 and gold, a little bit on NAS 100. But I'm on the show here that, again, this here is the trade on US30. And so we've done nothing but buys. You can see there's several buys here. We were trading this on the 5 minute time frame. So I'm going to zoom in this 5 minute chart so you kind of get a perspective of when and how we got into these trades. And so the time period on these, let's see, the first trade we got in, looks like we started buying US30 around 1720 MetaTrader time. So that is about 1800 hours. It's 8 o'clock. And so that's right around 7 o'clock this morning. And so we started buying, no, excuse me, I got that wrong. 1500 hours, it's 8 o'clock. So that's around 10 o'clock this morning. So around 10:20 after the market opened. So if I go back here, I'm going to go back to this 10:20 time so we can get a perspective of how long we've been in this trade here. And I'm very pleased with, with this strategy. Let's see, I'm going to have to go back 13, 10. So I'm looking for 1720 hours. So right around here is when we first got into these trades. So once US30 pushed up a little bit after the New York market opened, had this first pullback, and our strategy picked up on this and said, hey, you know what, we need to take a buy in here. I've got a lot of stuff on this chart, but this particular strategy just uses a different combination of price action, volumes. It's taking a look at a lot of several different indicators, but to kind of give us this idea of, hey, we need to buy. And so we did our first buy somewhere right around here. You see a little bit later, we picked up several other buys with this momentum continuing to push up. We took several other buys on here. And then the markets kind of danced around a little bit, played back and forth with us for the bulk of the day. And so in manual trading, we probably would have been, in and out or whatever. But this particular strategy is coded just to say, you know what, as long as there is, momentum to the upside, then we're going to stay in that buy. Excuse me. And so let me take some of this stuff off of here because what I don't, well, no, I don't want to do that because I've got my strategy running up in here, and so I don't want to take this off. Um, but either way, so we pushed up and we finally found some support here. We created a demand zone near the end of the day. This is 2,200 hours, so that's roughly 3, 4 o'clock or so in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. And so from that point, we found this area of support. We took some additional buys. And as of right now, US30 is continuing to push up. We're starting to see a little bit of resistance here. But this is a pretty substantial trade, and this is not very typical. It's not going to see this kind of momentum and these kind of results on every trade, of course. But we did continue to take a few more trades here, and so took some more around the 1,800 hours. It's the last one. So the last one looked like it was around 1,800 hours with that last big push up, and so that would have been right around this time. So after we saw this consolidation here and the market continued to hold these low areas here, this is around the time that we got into the last trades. But right now we're floating. This is 51,000 or so profit. This kind of a challenge, the goal would have been start with a $200,000 account. The minimum the account can get down to, this is our second day trading this. So the minimum account balance had to be 180. So we had to stay above 180,000. We got pretty close to that. Got down the balance wise, got down to 181. The equity never got that low because we still had some profitable trades. But um, nonetheless, we held that pretty good. So we're floating 51,000. I'm going to show the trades that we lost a little bit earlier because we did have some pretty significant losses. We had about 12,000 or so since we started trading this, and some of these are another strategy that we were trading over here on German 40, excuse me. So between that and US30, that's where we lost our little over 12,000. And so, but we still held the balance, and being up 52,000 or so, that's pretty good. So percent wise, I'm going to jump to one of my other. I don't have my dashboard running on that one, so we're floating about 28% profit here for today. So we have to offset that by the 12,000 that we lost. So that was roughly 4%. No, excuse me, that was roughly about 5 to 6% that we were in the hole, and then we're up almost 28%, and so that's pretty good there. Our take profit target areas are up in this area, and US30 may continue to push up in here, but for these purposes here, this has been an outstanding trading day, and so I'm going to close these trades out. Again, I've been away from my computer the bulk of the day, and I had some meetings earlier, and I think this was around 1 p.m. or so. I was on a meeting with with someone collaborating about some of our trading systems and prop firms and all that kind of stuff that we were discussing. And at that time, we were about 6 to 7,000 in the hole here. Um, but it's been going up and down a little bit. And so, as of right now, this is a pretty good trading day. So this is one of our other advanced strategies in the advanced version of our Akeelah Traders System, and so I wanted to be able to capture this while it was running. So 50,000 is a great thing, but because this strategy is designed to continue to look for momentum, if the momentum continues, we may take other buys. Right now, we've got the leverage and the free margin to do so. So we may take other buys if this pushes up. But because we've got so many trades that are open, I'm just going to close these out and and take my profits here. And so let me go up here. We're already dancing around 50,000 to 49,000, something like that. So I'm going to use my dashboard here on one of these that I got it up, and I'll demonstrate how we need to close some of these. So if you see these kind of profits and the market's dancing around a little bit, it's easy to just hit this button and say close everything. So I'm going to close all these trades at right at 49,000. I'm satisfied with that. 50,000, and it probably will continue to push up. But what I would expect is I'm going to leave this strategy running. So I'm going to book the 50,000 in profits here. And if the strategy does continue, the momentum continues, we'll pick up other trades and I'll be starting over. But I'm not going to let this market turn around and take this almost $50,000 back down to 30 and 20,000 or something like that. That's just crazy. So I'm going to demonstrate how that works here. So I'm just going to do close all trades, and it's going to take us out here. And then we'll be done. Well, I may use my account protection settings. That's what I may do. I think I may let this run just a little bit because I may want to use my account protection settings to just get rid of everything. Let me do that. That may be good here. Let's do protection. Let's keep that number very high because I want to protect 95% of my profits. So if I do that, excuse me, And oh, I see the issue. Forgive me. Uh, the trading system's not on. I was like, why is it not closing things out? So I did disable it because I didn't want to take any other German 30 trades right now. So let me let this refresh. And probably now, yeah, for time's sake, I think I am just gonna close it out. Let me make sure it's picking up here. Yeah, so US30s are hovering around this 48, 49,000, something like that. So I think I'm gonna close everything out. So let's do that. Let's just close all trades. If you'll see one by one, these trades start to close. And so now we are done. We're out of that. And so all of those trades are closed. I did not want to trade this particular one here anymore. I'm going to leave it on US30, but I don't want to trade the German 30 now. So right now we booked all of those profits. You see, if I come here to the account history now, it's going to capture all of this now. So we gained about 34,000 or something on the day. We were down around 12,000, and then we just picked up about 48,000. So that sounds about right. And so P&L for today, that's a pretty good day. Um, so we'll be back. I'll do another video update on this. I'm going to continue to let this particular strategy trade here for me, and from that point on, I'll come back and do some updates on it. Okay. All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I was just showing, just some of our capabilities up here. And again, that strategy did pretty well. So we'll try to capture some more. I may be able to do some more during the day monitoring of the system tomorrow. So I'll try to catch you guys that time. Okay. Thanks.